Who are you?
HMM. Oxygen seems well. No harmful entities detected.
I said who the fuck are you?
My name is Stark. I come from the planet Garland.
Either stay still and we can have you scanned, or let's battle it out right here and now.
I would prefer to just leave.
Then get off my motherfucking planet before I blast your goddamn head off, you bastard.
No need to get violent.
Get off now, asshole.
Alright, I'm leaving. I thought this planet would be a little more kind, but that is okay. Goodbye, Cyborg.